Menteri Sarkar jylla bat bolong MLA ka pentor umkra uba Bah Hek ude wei na ginomik khmat ubala jingkynnoh bandan kti ban ïarap eki bar jylla hado ka bal penlong ya Society Relief and Rehabilitation Colony ban INOC ya bar jylla ban apply ni ban penthmai trading license lingba ka resolution ka bola soi lang house nam arajar nyo menta ka sngi ula Kyntait ya ka ka bola jingkynnoh Haba Kyntait ya jingkynnoh ba ude uba ïarap ya bar jylla uba Bah Hek u MLA ka BJP haba grand sikilat patai kubor ula ong baka jingïarap hakinu kinu kikam kariban long ya baroh tang ya kanu kunhun.
Just a question of helping dependable does not arise at all. We are here to help all the people of Meghalaya, all the people who are the residents of Meghalaya.
So are the BJP MLAs not helping them?
We're helping everybody who need our help. That's all only we know. It doesn't help only one community or one society. We help everybody who need our help. That is the duty and responsibility of the leader and also the BJP party.
Does that not violate the traditional system here?
Tell me in which way we are violating the traditional institution? In which way? Tell me. We are not violating anything. How we are violating? There's no question of saying that we are violating the traditional institutions.
By allowing that particular community, the committee to issue NOC instead of the Rang Bashnong.
So they are not the Rang Bashnong. I told them they are the president of the welfare society.